So let's talk really quick about why this is like my favorite thing in the world when I'm doing electrical projects in the barn or garage or whatever. So pre-made pigtail for metal boxes. How convenient is that? Pretty long. So you've got your metal box. It's got this little hump here. And you may or may not know, if you have a metal box, it must be grounded. So this has to tie in with your grounds. So I like to take these little guys right there. Screw them in right here. And now we have a properly grounded box without having to deal with doing the screws and all that stuff. Just makes the jobs way easier. And these stick out a good deal from the box. You get about 6 inches, maybe not 6 inches out of the box. How much are we getting here? Let's see. About 4 inches out of the box. Good enough, though. So, yep, that's the easiest way to ground these metal boxes.